Hello, this is a small video how to turn the ECA start-stop and the modern car with MBUX system. So we again use our tuneOBD plug, and in particular at the MBUX, the messages at the MBUX screen is not possible at the diagnostic. So the procedure is a little bit different. So first you have to turn the ignition on. Currently ignition on, you see the motor is off, but all cluster LEDs are on. And make sure that the ECA is working. So I press in the ECA button, and you see ECA off becomes available. You see. So now I switch ignition on and off, and I switch it on back, and you see ECA is still again on. So this we will fix with tuneOBD plug. So as soon as you turn ignition on, the motor off, just plug the module to the OBD diagnostic and observe the MBUX screen for diagnostic message, because this is the only I can show. So diagnostics, it means the module checked the MBUX. So disappeared. Now you have to wait something like 20 seconds, or if it's possible, you can observe the the box LED. You see, the box LED is totally off. Then means the activation finished. Now I will remove the unit, and let's check how it works now. Not easy to remove with one hand. Okay, now then, so I'm ignition off, then back on, and you see the ECA is still on, so does not work. This is because the tuneOBD box has two variants of activation, and for a particular car only one will work. So now we plug this again to move to the variant number 2. So I'm plugging it again. Okay, I plug this. Again, we check diagnostic message. Diagnostic is here. And then wait till the box LED will be off. You see, still running. And now is off. So, you see, now it's off. You can just wait 20 seconds. And let's check how it works now. So I turn the ECA off. You see, now it's off. Now I turn ignition on, off, and then back on. And you see, ECA is still off. So now it's permanent. So at this particular car, it's second activation, second time. When you run this third time, it will revert to the factory settings. So the ECA will be still, will be again always on. So this is how it works. So by the way, the messages that the Mercedes Me temporary unavailable is completely normal. When you lock the car for 2 minutes, it will disappear. So thanks for watching and good luck.